Welcome to GardenHula channel. Today I'm going to do how to make neem tea. Follow me. We're going to pick some neem leaf. This is the neem tree. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. Neem tree is very easy to grow. They don't need a lot of water. They're very hardy. Alright, I'm going to pick some of the neem leaf. I'm going to make the tea out of them. Let's do it. Yeah, the neem tree, they grow very fast, and also they can live into like 100 years. All right, so let's make some tea. So first of all, we need a teapot, 2 teacups, some neem leaf, and the hot water too. All right, so first of all, we need to cut the leaf in small pieces first. Then we put in the pot holder before we can make tea. So we put all the neem leaf into the pot holder. So, all right. Actually, we put in here first. Now, using the hot water. If you don't have time to boil your hot water, the best way is just put a cup of cold water in the microwave. Wait for like a minute and a half, then you have your own hot water. Let me put some more water in. Alright. Now we just have to wait for another 5 to 10 minutes. Then we have the neem tea ready. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, welcome back. After 10 minutes, the tea is ready to consume. Alright, I'll pour into 2 small cups. And the weather is right now very good. It's only like 82, 81 right now. So this is the neem tea. Alright, so let's try. The tea is too hot. Alright, tastes very good. So there it is. We have the neem tea from the fresh neem leaf. That's how you make the neem tea. Thank you for watching, and I see you guys soon. Goodbye now.